Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Once again, I just wanted to wish each and every one of you a very happy and healthy Diwali season. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be sharing a bonus recipe, something to eat with that delicious mango achar recipe that I shared with you all earlier today. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a Channa Bara recipe. Now, this is a little different from the normal bara that we make with the dal flour or split peas flour. I'm going to be making use of the besan or chickpea flour that you could get at your local Indian store if you cannot find the split peas flour. I'm also going to show you how to fry this like Pholourie so you can make bara and Pholourie. So if you want to see how I put this together, please keep on watching. Now this recipe is very quick and easy to put together. So in a large bowl, I'm going to be adding in my all-purpose flour. All of the ingredients and measurements will be linked in the description box right below the video. I'm going to be going in with my besan or chickpea flour. If you don't want to use that, you can also use the split peas powder that you can find at the West Indian stores as well. I'm going to be going in with some salt to taste. I'm also going to add in just a pinch of sugar. This is going to help to activate the yeast and make sure the bara stays nice and soft. I'm going to be adding in my baking powder at this point. I'm also going to sprinkle in a little bit of all-purpose seasoning, and I'm going to be adding in my ground turmeric or dye, as well as some roasted ground geera. And I'm going to be adding in some chopped culantro. You can use green seasoning in place of the culantro, and I'm also going to be going in with some garlic and pepper paste that I made, and I just ground those two up. And do not forget to add in that yeast to make sure the bara is nice and soft and fluffy and stretchy as well. Once you add in all of those ingredients, it is time to stream in some warm water a little bit at a time until you get a very soft and sticky dough. As you all can see, there is no rhyme or rhythm whenever you're making bara or Pholourie. It's actually very simple to put together. Just dump all of those ingredients in the bowl and start mixing it up with the water. Whenever you're making bara, you do not want the batter to be too loose and runny, but you also don't want it to be too thick like a roti dough. You need it somewhere in the middle. And once all of those ingredients are mixed together, it is time to go ahead and beat it. Now by beating the bara, you're going to add some air into it and you're going to help to make it nice and soft and fluffy for the end product. Once you finish beating it for just about 30 seconds to a minute, you're going to go ahead and you're going to cover this and let it rest for about an hour or two until it starts to raise a little bit and gets nice and fluffy. So my bara dough was resting for in between an hour and 2 hours. So at this point, I went ahead and added in some chopped scallions, and I'm also going to add in some finely chopped red onions. If you also wanted to, you can add in some finely chopped spinach, and you can even add in some grated carrots if you wanted to. But this is all I'm going to add in today. I'm just going to mix it up very well until those ingredients are well combined. Now at this point, we are ready to fry our bara. So in a little bowl, I have some water, and if you wanted to, you can also use oil. This is just so this way the dough does not stick to our fingers. And I've been heating up some vegetable oil on a medium to medium-high heat for a couple minutes until it's nice and hot. So what I basically want to do is dip my fingers into the oil or the water, and you're going to take a little piece of the dough, about 2 tablespoons worth, and you're going to spread it out in between your fingers and drop it into that hot oil. Be very careful when you're doing this. Do it very carefully so this way it does not pitch or burn you. If you wanted to, when you grab a piece of the dough and you spread it out, you can also stick a hole in the middle, so this way the bara can cook a little more evenly as well. Once you get a batch of bara in the pot and it sits for just about 30 seconds, it should have this beautiful golden brown color. What we're going to do is we're going to flip them over and allow them to cook on the other side. A good bara should only have to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then it should be done and nice and golden brown. At this point, these are perfect for me, so I'm going to go ahead and transfer them into a bowl that I've lined with some paper towels, and I'm going to let them drain off very well until any of that excess oil is gone. Now I have half of my batter left. I just wanted to show you that you can make some Pholourie using the same batter. So what I did is I dipped my fingers into some of that water as well. I grabbed a nice handful of the dough and I'm just squeezing it in between my thumb and my second finger. And you're going to get these perfect round fluffy Phoulouries using the same batter that we use to make our bara. Another idea if you wanted to use it is you can go ahead and coat some slices of eggplant using this batter as well, and you can make baigani, and you can even add in a whole set of different chopped up veggies to make a vegetable pakora. So many different ways you can utilize the same batter. So with all of that said and done, I'm going to go ahead and enjoy my hot and fresh Pholourie and bara. I hope you all enjoyed this recipe today. I hope you guys are having an amazing Diwali, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the Diwali day. I hope the new year brings nothing but health, happiness, strength, and lots of good things to come. And please, if you enjoyed this bara recipe or gave it a try, let me know what you thought of it in the description box right below this video, and let me know what you guys would like to see next. As usual, don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet, so you never miss out on all of the new content that I have coming. I'll see you all again in my next video. Bye everyone.